the mysterious depths of the world's oceans, a legendary predator patrols the blue expanse, captivating the imagination and instilling both fear and fascination. Welcome to Guardians of the Abyss. The great design and powerful movements, it has earned its place as the ruler of the seas. The great white's body is finely tuned for predatory excellence. Streamlined, muscular, and equipped with an array of keen senses. From the depths, the great white emerges in a ballet of power and precision. Its hunting prowess is unmatched, as it patrols the coastlines in search of seals and other prey. The hunting strategies of great whites are a marvel of evolution. They use ambush techniques, breaching from the water with incredible force. Great whites embark on incredible journeys across oceans. Mysterious migrations that continue to baffle scientists. From the coasts of California to the waters of South Africa, these journeys are vital for their survival. Understanding these migrations is crucial for global conservation efforts. It's a journey fraught with dangers, from human activities to changing ocean conditions. Despite their fearsome reputation, great white sharks are not mindless killers. Let's dispel the myths and explore the reality of these enigmatic creatures. It's often said that sharks mistake surfers for their natural prey, seals. However, great whites are capable of distinguishing between different shapes and sizes. Attacks on surfers are extremely rare, and when they do occur, it's more likely a result of investigative behavior rather than a purposeful attack. Great whites are not inherently aggressive towards humans. They are cautious predators that often approach potential prey items to investigate. Many times, they display non-aggressive behaviors during these encounters. Aggressive behavior is usually a response to feeling threatened or provoked. Contrary to the belief that a shark will continue to attack after an initial bite, most shark encounters involve a single bite before the shark disengages. This behavior is often a result of the shark's natural curiosity, and they may release upon realizing that the object is not their usual prey. While great white sharks are found in various parts of the world, they are not as widespread as some may think. They are often associated with specific coastal areas, and their distribution is influenced by factors such as water temperature, prey availability, and migratory patterns. Great white sharks have unique behaviors, habitats, and interactions compared to other shark species. Generalizations about all sharks based on the behavior of a specific species, like the great white, oversimplify the diverse world of sharks, each with its own ecological niche and role in the marine ecosystem. Understanding the true nature of great white sharks is crucial for fostering coexistence and dispelling unnecessary fears. While they are powerful predators, they play a vital role in maintaining the health and balance of marine ecosystems. In the heart of the ocean, the great white shark reigns as a guardian of the abyss, a symbol of both the power and vulnerability of marine life. It is our responsibility to ensure their survival, to preserve the majesty of these apex predators for generations to come. Grow our channel. Please leave any comments below. Don't forget to press the bell to be notified of future videos.